Worried about an IRS tax audit? Here is where to worry less. Hey guys, it's CPA Dan Hodges from myfavoritecpa.com. Talking to you today about IRS tax audits. A lot of people worry, oh my gosh, I'm worried. Well, the number one way to worry less about a tax audit, it's quite simple really. Be honest, be truthful, and file them properly. First, let's talk about something the IRS references known as the statute of limitations. In general, what that means is the IRS has 3 years if everything is normal and orderly as it should be. The IRS generally has 3 years from the date you filed the return or the due date of a return to audit you and to look into your transactions and ask you for more details. There are times when the IRS is allowed to take that statute of limitations a little bit farther. What would those times be? Well, it would be if you significantly understated your gross income, or if you significantly overstated your expenses. Things like that can cause the IRS to take another bite at the apple. They can not only look at the immediate 3 preceding years, but also an additional 3 preceding years for up to 6 years. So here again, I will end this section with where I began. One of the best ways to not worry about audits is to be honest, be truthful, file your taxes, and file them properly. A word of warning, if you file a fraudulent return, the IRS has an indefinite timetable they can come after you. And I'll tell you something else. A lot of people don't realize this, but if you simply do not file, guess what? The IRS can come after you forever. Regardless of how you feel about taxes, and regardless of how you feel about the government, at the end of the day, as citizens, as Americans, as residents of the United States, we have an obligation to report our income and pay our share of taxes. If you're struggling with your tax situation and you just don't know what to do or which way to go, feel free to drop a comment, like, and share, or visit my website at myfavoritecpa.com. I'm confident I could get you moving in the right direction and get this ship righted. At the end of the day, you just want things to be right, but optimized for you. And you have the power to do it.